Now in this video, let me start with the exercise 3b. In that first one is multiple choice type. Okay, in that first question is, if square root of 5 is 2.24, then we need to find the value of square root of 20. Okay, so for that they have given the square root of 5's value. Okay, now let's see how to find out this. So here 20, square root of 20, how we can write? We can write 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. Now I'll split this square root for the both numbers. So I can write square root of 5 into square root of 4. Okay. Further, 4 I can write 2 raised to the power 2, and let me write square root of 5 as it is. Now this 2 and square root, it will get cancelled. So what left? 2 into square root of 5. Right. Now see here, square root of 5, the value has been given, that is 2 into 2.24. Now see here, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 0.22s are 4. Hence our option is, that is option B, that is 4.48. And many of the students, what they will do, they will start doing for the 20 either prime factorization method, or they will start doing the short division method. Whenever they will giving the like a value like this, no, so we need to do according to this. Okay, and this question they may ask for also 2 marks. Okay, in that case we need to write detail like this. Okay, question number 2, square root of 27.8, which is equals to 5.27. Now this value has been given. According to this, we need to find the value of square root of 2780. This question is similar to the first one. Okay, now see here how we can write this number. See, if I return 278 by 10 into 100. If I written like this, see here, this 0 get cancels, and when I'll multiply 278 into 10, I'll get 2780, right? So this number I'm going to write in this way. Okay, so that is 278 by 10 into 100, and its square root. Okay, now in the next step, this number, number which is in the fraction, that I'm going to write in the decimal. So how I can write 278, here it is 0 1 0 1. I have added the point. Now this 100 into 100 and its square root. Now I'll split this, so I'll get square root of 27.8 into square root of 100. Further, 100 how I can write? I can write 10 raised to the power 2. 10 tens are 100. Am I correct? Yes. Now this square, 2 and square get cancelled. So what left? Only 10 into square root of 27.8. Yes. And the value has been given, that is 10 into 5.27. Okay. Here imagine the point which is not there, only 527. Okay, so 10 into 527, I'll get 5270. Okay, and here it is 2 digit. Let me add a point before the 2 digit, 1 to here. So answer for this we got, that is 52.70, and for this option B is the correct answer. Question number 3, n is the least natural number that must be added to 23 so that the resulting number is a perfect square, and the value n is. So here basically we need to find the value of n, and which is the least natural number, and when that number we will add to the 23, no, whatever the answer we are getting after addition, that number they are saying which is a perfect square number. It means 23 is not a perfect square number. Okay, and this type of a similar questions which I have already solved in the solved examples question, and example number 17, that is. Okay, now let's start doing the simplification of this question. So as we do know, we'll start with the short division method. Okay, so here we are having only 2 digit, and it's already, it makes a pair only. Now start. Now for this near to what we will get, nearest to perfect square number, that is 4 raised to the power 4 4s are 16, and the next number we will get, that is 5 5s are 25. Okay, I'll go with the 16. 4 4s are 16. Okay, and here after subtraction it is left with the 7. Okay, now what I will do, I will just add the point, and let me take a pair of zeros. Let me take it down. Okay, now 4 plus, we need to add 4 here. 4 plus 4, I'll get 8. Now see here, now lesser than this or equal to this we need to find. So lesser than only I'll add, that is I'll take 7, and here I'll add 7. Now 87 7s are 609. Now the remainder is left with the 91, and from this we can say that 23 is not a perfect square number because it will be keep on we are getting the remainder. And 4.7 next whole number, that is 5. So 5 square, that we will get 25. And as you can see here, 25 which is greater than the 23. Okay, so let me do subtract. 25 minus 23. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so we got here 2. Okay, now when I'll add 2 to the 23, 23 plus 2, I'll get 25. And 25 square root, that is 5. Yes or no? It means 2 is the least number that when I'll add to the 23, we will get the perfect square number, that is 25, and its square root is 5. Hence n value we found, that is 2. And for this, option B is the correct answer. Okay. Question number 4. N is the least natural number that must be subtracted from 23 so that the resulting number is a perfect square. The value of n is. So here basically we need to find the n value which is only least natural number, and when we will find out that least number, no, when we will subtract it from the 23, whatever the answer we will get, that they are saying no resulting number, so that is whatever after subtraction we will get the answer, no, that they are saying that is perfect square number. So for that we need to find this n value which is only least natural number. And this type of similar questions I have already solved in the solved examples question, an example number which is 16. Okay. In short division method, what first we will do, we will make it a pair. Okay, so since here I'm having only 2 digits, so it makes only one pair. Okay, now starting the short division method. Now for this nearest perfect square number, we need to find either it is equal or lesser than this. Okay, so I'm having 4 square, that is 4 4 is 16. If you're going for the 5, we will get 25, that is, so I'm going to the 4 square. So 4 4 is 16, and here after subtraction it is left with the 7. Okay, now see here 7, that is n value, n equals to 7. Okay, now we will just do the cross check. What they have said, whatever the I mean when we will find the least number, that is n value, when we will subtract it from this number 23. Okay, according to the question I'm writing 23 minus 7. Okay, now it will become 13 and it will become 1. 13 minus 7, I'll get 6, and here it is 1. So 16. 16, is it a perfect square? Yes, it is a square. Its square root is, we will get, that is 4. 4 4 is 16. So hence n value what we found out, that is 7. It is correct. And after subtraction with 23, whatever the resulting answer we got now, that is also what? Perfect square number. Okay. And for this, option A is the correct answer. That is 7.